Okay, if you like to close your eyes. Let's take a few gentle but deep breaths. And breathe into your legs and tense your legs, and then relax as you breathe out. Breathe in through your arms, make fists of your hands, and relax. Breathe in and tense the muscles of the stomach, and let go. Breathe in and squeeze your shoulder blades together, and relax. If you need to move your head around, you can do that. Surrounding you is such a presence of love and healing and blessing. They know all about you. They know your nightmares and they have no judgment. Just invite them in now to be with you in this exercise, to guide you through. If it helps, you can imagine as the light shining down upon you. Or a hand you hold. And you're just sitting in the light now. Just bring to mind now any troubling thoughts you've been having lately. Maybe about COVID or relationships or yourself. Maybe you have a low opinion of yourself. Maybe it was a conversation that you've been having. Some you don't like. Somebody on the television. Let the thoughts be there, buzzing around in the head. You might find yourself justifying them. That's all right. So they're sitting there in the head and they feel heavy. The judgments, the pain, the sadness, wherever it is. Now let them start to fall down through your head, down through the throat. They're just falling, and awaiting them is the heart. If you want, you can imagine hands there. And you can place anything into those accepting, non-judgmental hands. The pain, the sadness, the fears, they're all falling now into the heart. And it's soft and accepting. It doesn't matter how angry you are, how sad you are. It welcomes everything without judgment. You can see the people in there if you like, perhaps small, so-called enemies. They're in the heart, in the hands. You can even see them as little frightened children if you wish, because that's what they are, and they attack. So you can look upon them, the thoughts, the people, little children, with acceptance. Perhaps you can see them smiling as you look at them. They're struggling through life just like you are, with the same battles. We're all the same ego and all the same Christ. You can also draw beautiful light, the color you want, gold or white. You can breathe it in down there to bathe them in that light. And you can say to them, I don't have any right to say to you, you must be different. I don't have any right to say to you, you must be different. And perhaps you can see them relaxing, maybe sitting down, lying down. They're so tired of all the struggle and the stress like you are. They're brothers and sisters. Even if it's some pain about yourself, some sadness, some lack of self-worth, they're little children too. You can tell them to rest. Perhaps you've got some words of understanding for some of them. You can speak to them now if you wish. You're healing them with your blessing, and as such, you're healing yourselves. And now let's send to these little children, whether they were your enemies or parts of yourself you didn't like, send down into your heart a little angel that will take them by the hand. And they're so happy to see this angel. And the angel is ready just to take them into the healing light. They can leave your heart together, hand in hand. And you bless them as they go. Take what time you need to complete with the exercise. And then when you're ready, just bring yourself back to the room.